Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my blueberries and cream Rice Krispie treats. So let's get started. So you'll start out with one package of the Starburst Blue Raspberry. It's 3.94 ounce. I have 8 cups of the Rice Krispies. It's the Rice Krispie cereal. So I have the 8 cups. You'll need 1 stick of butter. 1 package of the Marshmallows, and it's 12 ounces. And I also have a packet of the dried blueberries, it's 3.5 ounce. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'll sprinkle some of these rainbow sprinkles on top of the Rice Krispie treats. So I have my cookie sheet. I put parchment paper and I sprayed a little cooking spray on top. I'll place my burner on medium. I'll place the stick of butter in. So in goes the butter. I'll open up the packet of the Starburst Jello. I'll pour that in. Once I pour the packet of Jello in, then I'll put in this whole package of the marshmallows and mix it up. I'm just melting the Jello into the butter. It smells good. Now I'll take my marshmallows and drop them in. So in they go. And you just want to mix it all up. Once the marshmallows have melted down, that's when I'll put in the 8 cups of the Rice Krispie cereal. So just keep mixing. It's getting there. This will be blueberries and cream Rice Krispie treats. I'll lower my heat. Marshmallows are almost there. I'll add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll just eyeball it. I'll mix that in. You can see how the marshmallows melted down. I just got a few more. Then I'll add in the cereal. Then I'll put in the dried blueberries. Scrape in the sides. That looks good. Now I'll pour in 4 cups. Mix that around. This is 6 cups. And here's the 8 cups. And you'll get a workout. Now I have my dried blueberries. I'll place that in. And this is a 3.5 ounce. So it's blueberries and cream. This looks real good. Now I'll turn my burner off. I have my cookie sheet along with the parchment paper, and I have some cooking spray on top. So now I'll take the mixture. Get it all out. Now I'll spread this on my cookie sheet. And you want to spread it and make it as even as possible. And this is what it should look like. So now I'm going to take a couple of sprinkles, the rainbow sprinkles. It's optional. And I'll sprinkle them on top. That looks good. That's optional, you don't have to. So now I'll place this in my fridge for about an hour. I want it to firm up, and then I'll cut it into little bars. So into the fridge it goes. It's been an hour, so now I took my blueberries and cream Rice Krispie treats out of the fridge. So I'll place it on my cutting board and cut them into squares. Doesn't this look good? So now I have my knife and I'll cut them up into squares. This looks good. I'll give it a try. Wow, this is good. This is really good. You can taste the blueberry jello, the dried blueberries, and it's nice and creamy. It's perfect. This is really, really good. So what I'm going to do now is take the squares that I cut. I'll place them on my plate. The dried blueberries in here are really good. Now I'll finish cutting these up. I'm going to place parchment paper between each layer. So now I'll finish cutting the rest. They're really, really good. Mia is gonna love these. You could leave them on the counter to firm up, but I wanted to hurry up and firm them up. So that's why I placed them in the fridge for an hour. And these sprinkles are optional. You don't have to put them on top, but they taste good. Makes quite a bit too. And that's all of them. These are really, really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my creamy blueberry Rice Krispie treats. Give them a try. They're really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.